This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Pitbull versus Rottweiler. We'll explore their origins, physical traits, and temperaments to help you understand these powerful dogs. This comparison will highlight key distinctions, guiding you in appreciating each breed's unique characteristics and needs. Let's dive into what makes each of these canine companions special. Physically, these dogs present clear differences. Pit bulls, a term encompassing several breeds, generally weigh between 30 and 65 pounds with a lean, athletic build. Rottweilers, on the other hand, are significantly larger, often weighing 80 to 135 pounds, showcasing a more robust and powerful frame. Their distinct sizes and body types reflect their different historical roles and capabilities. When it comes to temperament, both breeds are intelligent and loyal. Pit bulls are often described as energetic and highly trainable, thriving on positive reinforcement. Rottweilers are known for their calm, confident demeanor and protective instincts. Both require early and consistent socialization and training to ensure they grow into well-behaved companions, especially given their impressive strength and protective tendencies. Regarding health, there are some notable differences. Pit bulls generally enjoy a longer lifespan, often living 12 to 16 years, though they can be prone to certain skin conditions. Rottweilers typically live 8 to 10 years and are more susceptible to joint problems like hip and elbow dysplasia, as well as certain heart conditions. Regular veterinary care is crucial for both to ensure a healthy and happy life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.